see it. Yeah, I don't think you can see it. Let me go closer. It's 10:05. I've been hearing some weird things coming. Chucky from Chuck E. Cheese from a long time ago, and it's really weird. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please comment down below and say you liked it, please, because I've only gotten one like on one of my videos. I need to get back under my covers. So, yeah, there's creepy noises coming from over there. Right over there. It's really creepy. Like, you know that's why I called it the creepy. You see the little Chucky doll up there? See that little spot right? Sorry guys. I've been trying to do stuff. I've been trying to look over there in the closet and see what was going on. So yeah. So my gaming channel is gonna come in pretty soon. So I hope you guys like this video. And if you did, please, if you're gonna, I hope you guys are excited for the gaming channel. For the gaming channel.